Good morning, Print Fam. Happy Friday. I am just hanging out in my hotel room in my little working nook is what I'm calling it. And I am just catching up on some emails, putting some orders in. I got an order for some wristbands yesterday, finished up that artwork last night and got it approved, so I submitted it today. That's going to a company called ID Product Source. They're little vinyl wristbands with snaps on them. Finished up a business card order, got a quote for a business card order sent out, and now I'm just going through my emails. As of this moment, I have 58 emails and 29 of them are unread, so I'm just kind of slowly going through them, getting things done. So far today I've invoiced $700, so good progress towards the goal. I opted for a late checkout because I knew I would just be working and I didn't want to go sit at the hotel or sit at the airport. So I think late checkout is at 3. My flight's not till 8:50, so I'll probably finish things up here and then get to the airport and sit there for a few hours. Sorry. Anyway, I'm just working, so see you in a bit. Alright guys, I've already met my invoice goal. That's what happens when you don't work for basically a week. One of them was a reorder. The company ordered 4 sets of cards and I sent them individual proofs for each card, and one of the proofs had a different back because they didn't request the logo on it. And then they got the cards and were like, oh, we did want the logo. And I was like, well, you didn't request it and here's the proof you approved. And they're like, okay, will you print us some more? So that was helpful. Nice thing is my outsourced supplier was a sponsor of the show and they gave a 15% off coupon that is good all the way through the end of February. So I am going to utilize that as much as I can for these orders that have to be shipped. So I am down to 37 emails with 15 of them unread. So still some more work to go. I got to stand up though because this chair is horrible. Like, I thought my folding chair was bad. This is like a cushy chair and it's not good. So let's get on with the day. All right, Print Fam. It's almost 3. That's what time my checkout is. So I'm gonna finish making sure that my room is cleared and go to the airport. So pretty boring day today. Worked a little bit, called a few people, answered some emails. But I did meet my goal today, so I'm pretty sure I already told you. So progress. So I'm gonna get to the airport, sit there for a few hours, and then sit in the airplane for a few hours, and then get home. I wish I was getting home a little earlier. My whole family will probably be asleep, so we'll get to see them tomorrow. So see you in a bit. Alright, bad news, Print Fam. Turns out you can only book or check your bags 4 hours before your flight, and my flight's not for 5 hours. So I gotta sit here in like the check-in area for the next hour, put my bags on, then go through security. So here's to using my Plex server. So alright, Print Fam. Exactly 4 hours till my flight. Got my bags checked in. Time to go through security. Fam, it's good to be home. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I I did meet my goal, as I already said today, and I'm probably not going to work tomorrow since I haven't seen the family all week. So thanks as always for watching. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those down in the comments. Appreciate you being here. If you want to support the channel, you can use the links down in the description. Thanks, Cam, for editing the videos. I know these ones are going to be a pain, so I'm sorry for all the clips. And oh, funny joke, the flight attendant was like, I hope welcome everyone home, because I know you're not coming here on vacation. There's nothing to do in Utah. It was pretty funny. But for real, if you do want to come visit, Park City's pretty cool, especially for skiing if you're into that. I'm not, because my leg hurts when I ski. So again, thanks for watching. See you next time, Print Fam.